Hi guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, April will be showing you a super easy way to create these realistic and gorgeous looking rose nails. The trick she will be using is a special gel polish called Blooming Gel. Stay tuned to see how this magical product works.
Hi, it's April. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you two ways of how to create roses. First of them on a shiny background. I like the shine of glittery gel from the inside. Apply 2 coats of gold gel and cure each coat for 1 minute. Bloom gel is transparent, so you can apply it on any gel color. Apply a thin coat of blooming gel. Don't cure it yet. Use the thin brush and white gel to draw rose petals. Start from center of the nail. You need to work very fast as the gel spread very quickly. After all the petals are drawn, you can wait a little. The more you wait, the more the gel spreads. Cure for 1 minute, apply top coat and cure for another minute. First method is done. In this next method, I will show you how to draw several small roses. I apply blooming gel only in certain areas in which I draw small roses. It gives me freedom to cure each rose separately and achieve equal amount of gel spread. If you apply blooming gel on the entire nail and try to draw multiple roses, you might not have enough time and the roses will spread unevenly. First one will be spread too much, last one not enough. After all the roses done and cure, we may add some lift without blooming gel. Cure for 1 minute, apply top coat and cure again. Like that, we have two types of roses. Leave your comments down below what method you like more. Click this box next to watch more awesome nail tutorials here on Cute Polish. Hit the circle to subscribe. And click the circle to come check out my personal nail channel. Thank you for watching.